So we're going to learn today how to tie our shoes using the bunny method. The first thing we're going to do is make our bunny's head. We're going to cross our laces into an X, just like this. And then I'm going to pull one lace through and pull on both laces to make my bunny's head. Okay. Now we need to give our bunny some ears. Let's take one lace, fold it like this. And we have a bunny ear right there, and we'll just lay that down right there. We'll take our other lace, and we'll lay it right there, and then we can take our two hands and pick up our bunny ears like that. Now this is the tricky part. I'm going to slide my hands up my ears just a little bit, and then I'm going to cross my ears at the top. So now my ears are crossed, and they look like little ears, but you see this big hole right here. So I'm going to push one ear underneath, into the big hole, and I'm going to pull tight. Now, I have tied my shoe. And you can see you have your two bunny ears, and you have your bunny's head, and your shoe is tied and ready.